Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while you are not able to launch or install Hollow Knight silksong right in the Xbox app. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu. On the left pane, click on the option time and language. Now choose the option date and time, and from here make sure you turn on the option set the time automatically. After turning it on, click on the option sync now to sync the time with the current internet time to fix out the issue. Nextly is on the left pane, click on the option apps and click on the option installed apps. Now in installed apps, right in the search box, type in gaming service. Once you find it, click on three dot icon and go to its advanced options. Scroll down and you will find the option of repair and reset. First of all, click on the option repair to repair the gaming service and then click on the option reset. This will go ahead and reset the gaming service. Once you have done these two steps, go ahead and try to reinstall or relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, first of all launch the Microsoft Store. Now right in the store, on the left pane, you will find the option of library, click on it. From here, you will find gaming service or either Xbox installed right over here, and next to it, if any kind of update is available, make sure you choose the option update. Or right over here, click on the option get update and it will automatically find the relevant update for the installed apps in your PC. Once all the apps are updated, including gaming service as well as Xbox, go ahead and try to launch the game, and hopefully the issue of the app cannot start, reinstalling should fix it, will be completely fixed out while installing the game Hollow Knight. If this also failed, let's proceed with the last step. First of all, if store is running, close it. Now click on start menu and type PowerShell. Here choose the option run as administrator. In this method, we are going to reinstall the gaming service. So here is the first command, copy it from the description of this video and paste right over here in the PowerShell and then hit the enter key. First of all, this command will go ahead and uninstall the gaming service from your PC. Once it is uninstalled, again copy the second command from the description of this video, paste right over here by pressing Ctrl+V key and hit the enter key. This will go ahead and automatically open the Microsoft Store right in front of you. Once it is open, it will provide you a link to install the gaming service. So you need to click on the install option to install the gaming service into your PC. Wait for few minutes, and once the gaming service is properly installed, go ahead, restart your Xbox app and then install the Hollow Knight again, and this time the issue of game not installing or the game not launching right into the Xbox will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.